Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can inclinate maps on Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. And now let's just get started. So if you have any problems or inquiries, just let me know in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps and then just go to a satellite view like this. So now I'm over here in the satellite view. So inclinate map, or let's say rotate or anything, what you need to do is over here you'll be having this option. This is the compass option. So from here just press on it, or firstly you have 3D or 2D view. You can use any one of this to tilt. You can inclinate like this as well. And to rotate inclination, what you need to do is just go to this button and just press the right or left like this, and the map will inclinate like that. Just this or this or this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.